Good morning once again. Welcome.
Good morning.
Okay, so our early morning devotional. Here we are again from in heavenly places. Okay, January 12th, Wednesday.
For our memory text is John 16:27. By the way, the title today is Christ, the Revelation of God.
So from the New King James Version, John 16,
27.
John 16:27. It says here, "For the Father himself loves you, because you have loved me and have believed that I came forth from God." Oh, so the Father will love you if you believe on Him, who is coming from God, from Father. Okay.
Should I read?
Okay.
In viewing the holiness and glory of God of the universe, we are terrified, for we know that His justice will not permit Him to clear the guilty. But we need not remain in terror. For Christ came to the world to reveal the character of God, to make plain to us His paternal love toward His adopted children. We are not to estimate the character of God by the stupendous works of nature alone, but by the simple, lovely life of Jesus, who presented Jehovah as more merciful, more compassionate, more tender than our earthly parents. Jesus presented the Father as one to whom we could give our confidence and present our wants. When we are in terror of God and overwhelmed with the thought of His glory and majesty, the Father points us to Christ as His representative. What you see revealed in Jesus of tenderness, compassion, and love is the reflection of the attributes of the Father. The cross of Calvary reveals to man the love of God. Christ represents the sovereign of the universe as a God of love. By the mouth of the prophet he said, "I have loved thee with an everlasting love. Therefore with loving kindness have I drawn thee." We have access to God through the merits of the name of Christ, and God invites us to bring to Him our trials and temptations, for He understands them all. He would not have us pour out our woes to human ears. Through the blood of Jesus of Christ, we may come to the throne of grace and find grace to help in time of need. We may come with assurance saying, "My acceptance is in the Beloved," for through Him we both have access by one Spirit unto the Father, in whom we have boldness and access with confidence by the faith of Him. As an earthly parent encourages his child to come to him at all times, so the Lord encourages us to lay before Him our wants and perplexities, our gratitude and love. Every promise is sure. Jesus is our surety and mediator. He has placed at our command every resource that we may have a perfect character.
So our confidence is in Jesus Christ. It says there, I heard it, if we are scared or if we are not confident because of the glorious heavenly character of the Father, what we just need to is Jesus Christ Himself. Jesus Christ. Because it says here in our Bible text, devotional text, John 16:27, "For the Father Himself loves you." Why? Because you have loved me. That is the word of Jesus Christ. And have believed that Jesus Christ come forth from God. See? our confidence, our, how can we express it? Christ is the revelation of God. Christ is the revelation of God.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you again next time. Bye-bye.